Hey guys, NaJae back here with another video. This one I will be talking about April's promo month for the essential rewards for Young Living. So if you spend 100 PV, you will get a bonus ER 10 essential reward points. So pretty much that's just free points going to products of your choice. If you spend 190 PV, you'll get a free bottle of vetiver that is 5 milliliters. Then you also get the bonus ER 5 milliliter of clary sage. You also get a bonus ER of the 10 free points. Okay, so if you, and that's saving you $52.63. So if you spend over 190 PV, you're saving $52.63 just by having your essential rewards order. If you spend over 250 PV, you would get the 15 milliliter bottle of tangerine, 15 milliliter bottle of lemon, a 5 milliliter bottle of vetiver, and the bonus ER 5 milliliter clary sage, and then the 10 free points. And that would save you $89.47. So that's actually really good. That's a pretty good deal. So if you spend over 300 PV, you would get 5 milliliter bottle of Dreamcatcher. You get a 4-pack lavender calming bath bombs. You would also get a 15 milliliter bottle of tangerine, a 15 milliliter bottle of vetiver, and then you'll get a 15 milliliter bottle of lemon and then a 5 milliliter bottle of vetiver. And then you will get the 5 milliliter clary sage also on top of the 10 free points. And that's the retail value on that is $165.78. So you're pretty much getting all those products, and then you're getting all those products for free if you reach 300 PV. So on top of the products that you like, you would also get those products. So that's pretty amazing. And then the last one is, if you reach 400 PV, you would get a 5 milliliter bottle of goldenrod. And Young Living recommends you can add it to diffuser at night to help you sleep. You can also mix it with your face wash, and your skin will look fresher and firmer in no time. So that's a really good one to have. The 5 milliliter bottle of Dreamcatcher is good for diffusing. The 4-pack lavender calming bath bombs, it's pretty much explanatory. Put it in your bath. Lavender, everyone, if you use essential oils, then you know how calming and relaxing lavender is. Helps you sleep at night, so it's good to use it at night. So you'll also get the 15 milliliter bottle of tangerine. And Young Living and other people have recommended putting a few drops on a cotton balls and stashing them in your car vents. So if you use those air vents that they have in the stores, sometimes I know some people get headaches from those. I know I get headaches from those, so I actually use my essential oils and pop them right there in the car vents, and they work the same. Your car smells good throughout the day, and they're non-toxic, so they're safe for you and your kids to breathe those in. You can also rub tangerine and V6 oil on temples, so I guess that helps you to relax more. Then you can also the next one is a 15 milliliter bottle of lemon. So if you see my videos, you know I love lemon essential oil, so lemon everything. But it's good for diffusing, especially getting rid of odors, garbage odor, dog, pet, it doesn't matter. Then you can also use it for spring cleaning, because we're finally getting some warmer air outside, but we're supposed to get snow. So I hope that's not true. But for spring cleaning, you can add it to, you can add lemon essential oil to your plant-based cleaning products. So had that I grew up smelling a lot of lemon in my household, so I love cleaning with it, so it's really good. The next one is the 5 milliliter bottle of vetiver. You can use that oil as part of your skincare routine. So I'd have to look more into that if you guys want to know more about that, but that's a good tip. And then the bonus essential rewards bottle of the 5 milliliter bottle of clary sage. You can add it to your shampoo for your hair that looks healthy, to give you that healthy looking look. And then it's great for massage. You can mix it with the V6 oil that Young Living offers and massage right into your shoulders after a stressful day. So that's a really good one to try, especially if you've had a rough day. It's really good to have on hand. And then the last one is the 10 Essential Rewards points. So that one is pretty much, you get those free points, you put them towards anything that you like, you know. But that's a pretty cool thing that Young Living is doing for people. So, you know, if you spend money, you're already getting back points. You're getting more points on top of the points because they're giving you free points. So that's really good. And when you reach 400 PV, your retail value that you're saving is $198.35. Can't speak today. But, so the reason for these orders are, it's a monthly thing. You get free, you get free points back. So you can spend those free points back on products, and then you're back to getting more points. It's just the, it's just the way you order stuff. But it's a pretty, I love the Essential Rewards, but it's a pretty good deal to have, especially if you are a Young Living member. But that is the end for this video. So I just want to share with you guys the free products that you can get this month. If you are a part of the Essential Rewards, if you haven't, and you don't really know how to do it, just let me know. You can leave me a comment down below or message me and I'll get back to you. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.